Legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar passed away today at the age of 92. The veteran singer was admitted to a city hospital in early January this year after she tested positive for COVID-19 and was also diagnosed with pneumonia. Around January 28, she was taken off the ventilator after she showed slight signs of improvement. However, on January 5, Lata Mangeshkar's condition deteriorated and she was back on ventilator support. The legend playback singer and a music director Lata Mangeshkar was born to Pandit Dinanath Mangeshkar, a Marathi musician, and his wife Shivanti in 1929. She was the only Indian singer who has recorded her songs in over 36 Indian and foreign languages. Lata Mangeshkar was bestowed with Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1989. The government awarded her Bharat Ratna, country's highest civilian honor, in 2021. She has received 3 National Film Awards, 15 Bengal Film Journalist Association Awards, 4 Filmfare Best Female Playback Awards, 2 Filmfare Special Awards, Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Awards, and many more. Her voice symbolizes the voice of India or Indian singing to the world. If there are things that have been for ages divided the people, her voice has the force to unite and bind people through the string of her sweet voice. Today, on 6th February 2022, on the behalf of the entire Worldly Voice team, we would like to give a humble tribute to the legendary singer and nightingale of Indian cinema, Lata Mangeshkar Ji.